Sir na lang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine ng XP600. Aming printer head. Aming capping. Head clean. Nasa ng wiper pagtaas mag-head clean. Nozzle test. BR. Aming waste tank. At ang aming ground bar. Aming monthly checklist at ang aming workload. Ito ang aming consumable. Magenta, white, yellow, black, cyan.